The sun streams into the kitchen as a silver tray glimmers. Bhanu drops 3 crystal ice cubes into a glass. Clink, clink. The rhythm of summer begins. She taps a wooden spoon against a stainless steel pot, humming a melody. Summer is finally here. Are you craving something cool? Don't reach for those store-bought bottles. Today, we are making magic right here at home. She carefully pours 600 grams of white sugar into a large heavy pot. Next comes 300 grams of clear water. As the heat rises, steam begins to curl into the air. Bhanu stirs the mixture steadily until every grain of sugar dissolves into a thick, shimmering syrup. A sweet, heavy aroma fills every corner of the room. Bloop, bloop. The syrup bubbles with life. Now for the secret touch. She holds a small spoon of citric acid and tosses it into the boiling pot. The mixture fizzes instantly, dancing with energy. She turns the stove dial to off as the kitchen glows in the soft orange light of the afternoon. Is the Orange Fanta ready? Not quite yet. This is the heart of Bhanu's kitchen magic. She pours the golden liquid into a pitcher and adds more ice. The glass frosts over beautifully. Mix it, cool it, store it away. Patience is the key. Keep it in the fridge until tomorrow, because the taste doubles overnight. The music softens as Bhanu pulls the chilled bottle out. She adds a single drop of orange essence and a dash of emulsion. Watch closely. The liquid transforms into a vibrant, perfect orange. Tack! She twists the cap and pours the sparkling drink into a tall glass. Her family gathers around, their eyes widening with the first sip. They immediately reach for more. Bhanu laughs, her heart full. A simple recipe, a little bit of love, and you have the perfect summer drink. This is Bhanu's homemade Orange Fanta. Try it today and taste the difference. Like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes coming your way soon. See you in the next kitchen adventure.